The Highway 15 was developed with the same highly adaptable modular design as our Highway 22, but with a smaller footprint and circuit count that's perfect for tight spots in kit cars, roadsters, and coupes. Much like its larger counterpart, the Highway 15 can be mounted in many different locations for complete flexibility during the installation process. Highway 22 fans may already be aware we took the opportunity to revise and improve that kit in the form of the Highway 22 Plus. It was only natural we give the Highway 15 the same treatment. American Autowire is pleased to introduce the Highway 15 Plus. Our goal with the changes to the Highway 15 Plus is to preserve the same feel as the original with some modernization and ease of use improvements for both backyard and professional builders. New features include a built-in LED flasher to support LED turn signals without the need to purchase an additional item, a backup light feed and power wires to make the harness easier to install in a more modern vehicle, improved instructions to cite a wider range of examples in real-world scenarios. The panel labeling has also been updated, along with the above physical changes, including wording modifications for enhanced clarity. Our new high-amp alternator and main power connection kit. This allows for the use of high-amp alternators and provides an even better level of fuse protection for the panel and charging system. This new connection utilizes 6-gauge wire and two 175-amp megafuses. Extra connectors and wiring to more easily support a 4-headlight system without an additional add-on purchase. Longer neutral safety wires for cars with console shifters. An additional ignition circuit to support aftermarket components, and an improved ignition switch with mating connector and 3 additional accessory terminal locations. The original high-quality pre-labeled GXL wire and extra stout fuse panel that made the Highway 15 an initial success are still present as always. The new Highway 15 Plus is part number 510825 and is available now. In addition to following us on YouTube, please check us out on Facebook, CarBuff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.